Velcro by Nikki Tullett. Last night I found myself velcroed to my chap's back. You see, middle age has been extremely kind, bestowing both of us with extra hair. Not the silky, luxurious kind, alas. It's black and spiky on the whole. His ears and nose are richly blessed, and his shoulders now rustle, much like that field of wheat that caught Mrs. May out. Whilst my menopausal chin, clearly envious of our sooty cat, or perhaps the hooks on my best jacket, has sprouted black, curved whiskers. And these two new coats became entwined while I was hugging his broad, still strong back, locking us together and rendering